Don't download MyWallSt app before watching this. If you've been eyeing MyWallSt as a beginner-friendly investing app, hold on. Many people assume it's a full-featured trading platform, but the surprising truth is that there are some major limitations you need to understand before you commit. MyWallSt is designed for beginners who want to start investing in stocks, and it's with small amounts of money. Its main appeal is simplicity. You can build your portfolio with just a few taps and track performance easily. But most people get this wrong. While it's easy to use, you don't get full control over individual stock allocations. The app relies on preset recommendations and bundled portfolios, which means you can't customize as freely as on traditional brokerages. Fees are another factor to consider. MyWallSt charges a monthly subscription fee, which covers trades and platform use. For someone investing small amounts, this fee can eat into returns significantly. Compare that with platforms offering commission-free trades or free if investing, and the difference becomes clear. On the positive side, MyWallSt offers educational content and helps new investors understand the stock market without feeling overwhelmed. The interface is clean, intuitive, and goal-oriented, making it appealing for first-time investors. However, the lack of advanced analytics is a drawback. There are no detailed charts, technical indicators, or research tools for active investors. If your plan is long-term passive investing, it can work, but if you want to actively manage your portfolio or dive deeper into market trends, it falls short. In conclusion, don't download MyWallSt expecting a full-service investing app. It's great for beginners who want guidance, simple portfolios, and small initial investments, but not for those seeking control, low fees, or advanced trading features. Understanding these limitations now will save you time and money later. Use it wisely, but know what you're signing up for.